This is a planarian. Planarians are flatworms that are common in many parts of the world, living ponds and rivers. Cut this tiny flatworm in half and you end up with two flatworms. The front half will grow a tail and the back half, well, it will grow a whole new head, complete with a functioning brain. Some research even suggests that flatworms can retain trained behaviours after their brains regenerate. A chunk of planarian with no head and no tail can regrow both in 3 weeks, all thanks to the process of regeneration.
Regeneration is one of the great mysteries of biology. It is the natural process of replacing or restoring damaged or missing cells, tissues, organs, and in some cases entire body parts. For humans, some parts of our bodies can repair quite well after an injury, but others can't repair themselves at all. And we definitely can't regrow whole body parts like missing arms or legs.
That means we have a lot to learn from those tiny flatworms. Studying regeneration can help us understand not only how our bodies heal, but it also means that we can learn to create regenerative medicines to help us heal more wholly. Researchers are currently investigating many questions posed by regeneration, like what signals turn on regeneration? How does the body know what to regenerate? And why don't humans regenerate in the same way as our tiny friends the Planarians?
Well, here is some information we already know. The regenerative process is enabled by stem cells, which are cells that have not undergone differentiation. These stem cells, called Neoblasts in Planarians, can collectively differentiate into any of the 40 to 50 different cell types present in our flatworms. Neoblasts represent approximately 20% of all cells in a Planarian, located throughout the body, with the exception of the pharynx and the anterior tip of the head. An amazing feature of the neoblasts is their high mitotic activity. They are constantly dividing, which means there is a high turnover of Planarian tissues, keeping the Planarian young. Planarians can also quickly change their body size in response to food availability.
Most cells in humans are not replaced as quickly, and stem cells represent a much smaller percentage of total body cells. Therefore, we can conclude that some organisms possess greater regenerative potential than others, thanks to the type and number of stem cells they have.
Thanks for watching, everyone!